Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video today. I'm super excited. Today I have for you the 2024 Hot Wheels International case, K case. So I haven't found J or K yet. So this is an exciting case to open because not only am I going to get the J case cars, but I'm going to get the brand new loaded K case cars. So thank you to Jcar Diecast for sending this case over and sponsoring this video. Just want to open this up here and see what we get. I'm so excited to open this one right here. So many good cars in this case. The K case. I think just about every car in the case is going to be a good one. All right, let's pop her open and see what we got. Again, thank you to Jcar Diecast for sending this case over. Make sure you check out jcardiecast.com for all your Hot Wheels cases needs. All right, first three cars out of the case. We got the 73 Jeep J10, white Can-Am deco. Ooh, all right, and a yellow Pagani Zonda R HW Race Day. We got the Baja Bison T5 Hot Wheels First Response. This one's in red now. The electric car there. All right. Okay. Ooh, here we go. The Return of the Groovemobile from Minions. The 24/7 is back in yellow. Friendship Day. HW Celebration Rides. And we got the regular Treasure Hunt. Great start already. The Bone Shaker in white. We got the little, can you see the symbol back there? Yeah, there it is, hiding back there. Perfect. Awesome. Great start already. Let's keep her going here. All right. New casting. We have the later Crater. This is actually one of the J case cars. Looks like a off-roading moon car, right? Or it's one of the ones from the Netflix Hot Wheels Let's Race series. All right. And then the Rally Speciale in red. HW Dirt. I like the sound of that series. And then the Land Rover Series 2 in the HW Hot Truck series. All right, we have the Pontiac Aztec Custom in red now. It was kind of an ice blue before for its first release. The Birthday Burner, a new model that also debuted in the J case. Nice slice of cake there. I'm told you can put a candle in the top there, so you can put this on top of your cake and put a candle right in the top of the motor there for all your cake topping needs. Oh, all right. Return of the Drag Tour. This used to open. It doesn't look like the little tractor part here on the top opens anymore, so it's not fixed. But it's the return of this one. I haven't seen this one in a while. Now it's in pink. Oh, so much heat. Oh, Lamborghini Sesto Elemento in white. Get that one. The 96 Porsche Carrera in blue. Magnus Walker, look at that one. And, one of the cars I collect, the 95 Mazda RX-7 in white in the Project Moo deco. We'll see a couple colors of that one as we progress through 2024 here. A Batmobile here, Batman the Animated Series Batmobile, and kind of a matte black. The Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR Liberty Walk in gray. Look at that. Love this casting. Love the Ken Mary castings. Oh, and the 84 Mazda SVO. Like I said, this is a loaded case. Look at this thing. Great car there. We have the Lane Lowrider, kind of a satin gold. The Chrysler Pacifica minivan, off-road minivan. And like a tan, like a matte tan there. And the 90 Acura NSX in yellow now. Have we gotten a yellow one of these before? I don't think so. Man, this looks good. All right, next three out of the case. The 90 Acura NSX again. Always good to have two of those ones you like. The Rink Racer. So we got a little drag racing Zamboni here. This was actually part of the J case as well, if I remember correctly. No, actually, wait. No, this is a new model. This is a new model for this case. New model for the K case. And then Total Disposal, HW Metro. So if you guys are looking at if you're a new Hot Wheels newsletter subscriber, make sure to check out the case listings we have in there. There's the H, J, and K will be in the update, but it'll be on my website on orangechardiecast.com first, along with this video. All right, Mod Rod, another color of the Mod Rod in light blue now. Another casting I collect, great. The tuned 70 Dodge Charger in black with a kind of a red stripe now. I think it was just a black before, the Fast and Furious deco. Now we get the red striped one. And the Mailed It Racing Hot Wheels drag mail truck. Not the first one, but this one is pretty cool. Little pint-sized one there. Look at that turbocharged engine there. Very cool. Love the graphics on there. Oh, here it is. Probably the most sought after car out of this case. Bumblebee, Hot Wheels, and Transformers Unite. Hasbro and Mattel HW Screen Time series. So this is your classic Larry Wood VW bug casting, but now it's been modified to have, there he is. There's Bumblebee hiding under there. See his head? There we go. So, and it's actually, you should be able to see that it is licensed by Hasbro right there. So you got a Hot Wheels logo and Hasbro. Never thought I'd see the day after 30 years of collecting. There's the little Transformers logo on the hood there. So this is the Bumblebee from the original cartoon. All right, Track Dwagon. New casting for the K case here. HW Track Champs. Another one of those Pontiac, or sorry, the Project Moo's, no Pontiac, Project Moo 95 Mazda RX-7. Next three cars out of the case. Oh, wow. Okay, so we have the first, I believe this is the first crushed car to appear in the main line. We've seen them in the 5-packs before, but this is the first one to appear in the main line, the Speed Bump in the HW Art cars. We have the custom 68 Camaro returning in white now. Probably my favorite casting of last year. And the T-Rex Destroyer in light blue. All right, got another one of those Rink Racers for you. Another Baja Bison T5. And then another Total Disposal. All right, let's see what's in the bottom half of this case. All right, so we have the Mad Mike Drift Attack in a satin blue. Look at that. Look at the color on this thing. Great color. I want to see more of that color. Hot Wheels design team, if you're watching this, make more cars in this color. Holy cow. Great color. Same with this color. Like a metal flake copper for the DeLorean Alpha 5. Yeah, this case is loaded. Later, Crater. Yeah, this case is loaded. I am so happy that Jcar sent this case over. 69 Mercury Cougar Eliminator in kind of a metal flake teal. The McLaren P1 light blue. Ah, the Mercedes-Benz Unimog 1300L. This is a fun casting. Love this one. I wonder if I have them all. I think I might have all these so far. Ho ho ho. Another one of these Porsche Carreras, 96 Porsche Carrera by Magnus Walker. The Bugatti Bolide. Look at that crazy car. Yeah. Another one, a new model, right? Yeah, new model for the K case here, 2024 K case. The 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko or Jesko. Purple. Wow. Man, I don't know if there's a bad car in this case. Well, yeah, nothing's bad. All right, Track Dwagon. Like gray, yeah, and gray and pink color scheme. Very cool. The Duck and Roll is back with some glow-in-the-dark paint, or glow-in-the-dark body and some cool shades. And the 1966 Triumph Tiger 100. Oh, I remember actually remember seeing this at the convention. This is a new casting for the J case. It's got the built-in rider. Kind of hard to see in this blister, but it's got a built-in rider. All right, another Pagani Zonda R in yellow. The 70 Dodge Charger in black, the red stripe. And the tuned Porsche 911 Turbo 3.6 964. It's in a, I don't know if you can get a good color reading on this, but it's a metal flake, like dark purple. Like a pale dark purple. So we can get some more light in here. All right. We got another one of those DeLorean Alpha 5s in that metal flake copper that's so beautiful. The 10 Camaro SS in white. And the Tanknator, your Hot Wheel Ride-On series. Right on, right on. All right. So we can get some more. There we go. Let's try this. There we go. All right. We got another one of those birthday burners. Piece of cake. The McLaren P1. And another one of those custom 68 Camaros. Such a cool car. All right. Surf Duty in red. Beach Patrol livery. Oh, new model alert. This one is the Kowloon Hypervan. Look at that. This might be a new favorite casting. Designed by Ron Wong of the Hot Wheels design team. Look at this thing. Is this a Hong Kong truck? Like a bus? Like a souped up bus? I'll have to ask him. This thing is cool. First time seeing this in person. Love the color breaks on here. You get like a gray base with tan body, some tinted windows, and a green roof. Lots of color. That's cool. I like that. That's a well-designed casting. All right, we got the Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. Pajero? This is not the Super. This was the Super in the last case. And then we have the Mod Rod in light blue. The 67 Cougar Eliminator in metal flake teal. And we have the 92 Ford Mustang in red. We got the 84 Mustang right earlier in red, and now we have the 92 Mustang. So two similar looking cars there. All right. Okay, now we get the first peek at the non-exclusive Zamac series, the HW Rolling Metal, the Shelby Cobra 427 SC. So these are I believe these will be Zamac cars that are not exclusive to Walmart. Hence why there's one in this case. So that's pretty cool. Expanding the range of Zamacs, since they're so hard to find in the first place. Another one of these really cool blue Mad Mike Drift Attacks. Again, love that color. And another Kowloon Hypervan. All right, next three cars out of the case. We got the Desert Drifter, the little Jello mold in blue. We have what would have been the Super in the case. This is the regular of the Mazda 787B. So this is that popular, renowned livery Mazda. Never thought we'd see this one. Granted, it is not licensed. It's just a play on that one. If you don't know what the renowned Mazda 787B is, take a look that one up online. And that's history. So that's cool. This is definitely one I was looking forward to. If it was shinier, I would have been a little more excited. But hey, love that we have that, the regular in there. And then the another one of the 10 Camaro SS. And then the last 3 cars out of this case are the Batman, the animated series Batmobile, the Duck and Roll, glow in the dark, the shades, and sadly, we did not score the Super of this one or the 787B. It is the Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. Pajero? Pajero. Pajero? Pajero. Banana, banana. Wait, tomato, tomato. So, all in all, great case. Loaded with great castings. I don't even know where to begin. But obviously look for this one. And if it's in a Spectral Flame Dark Orange, that would be our Super. We got the Bone Shaker regular treasure hunt. And yeah, just a whole lot of really cool licensed cars. So definitely check out Jcar Diecast for your Hot Wheels mainline cases. We have this was the K case and the international cards as designated by the C4982 on here. So 72 cars in this case. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Look for the full unboxing list of all the cars that should be in the Hot Wheels K case, including store exclusives, on OrangeStrikeDiecast.com. Thanks for watching.